Hi, I'm Erina from Sijori Malay Eatery, and today I will be showing you a bunch of products that I'm so excited to share with you guys, and it is our first range of spice mix. Well, basically the reason why I decided to create this range of products is because I find that a lot of the times these dishes either difficult to make or just hard to find. So the Malaysian Salted Egg spice mix is one of my favorite products, only because it is also one of my favorite dish. It's basically salted egg and coated in whatever protein that you would like. It could be tofu, chicken, beef, or even squid, or any of your favorite seafood dish. And it's not really commonly found in Australia, so this is one of the dishes that I actually really missed from home. I have with me the Masala Mac Dish. So commonly found in Malay sort of culture, the Masala Mac Dish is famous from Negeri Sembilan, but this is not the Negeri Sembilan kind. I'm just gonna put a disclaimer out there, only because I don't want people to be roasting me, because I know you guys are really proud of your heritage and your Masala Mac dish, but this is my take on it, only because I love Masala Mac and this is my spin on it. So I hope people enjoy it as much as I enjoyed making it. When the opportunity arose for me to make my own spice mix, I thought, of course, I would have Luxojo as the first item to be made into my shelf products. I know how difficult it is to make this, and at some point in Australia, you couldn't find Luxojo. So it was only natural for me to kind of share this with the whole of Australia and just kind of like share with them my recipe and how they can just cook it at home, minus the 4 hours of slaving in the kitchen.